Magoro benki ya mwancho muligererio Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo mugusingwege na ritko rya uri abere ritorero kegima na nene kwa berego kwego kya aso kubwatie merobero yonsi ye ritko rya rero ekerorire ne ritko rya Alhamis chitariki inye cyomutienyi ogatano omwaka no bwechi bibere na mirongo ebere na isatu na manga genderete gokorekana imense ya Kenya ekerotoro cyo nabarayikorose obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya nigo barure chitariki ayo kichingwana chwenda gokorekana gati enseme ya Azimio na serikali erio goikero koigwana gokoretwa murembe imeyense ya Kenya chinga kichingi ekero yaragirense Eyemo yabo nomugoroba ekerongo kwarigania SMS ya Amayia erio nkomanyibuna na raia ya kubwatirana basaki baito twakwarganirie asenchira ere yobwekera nuko rende ritangani kegima tigaturanyore gatiari ngwariganirete asenchira yobwinge
wako yaraire asedi kwetera gwako nerigena twakone family twanyori osiririo bugima bwaye
omuntu oyo mogosirio bugima magega yo kuwero nerigena se warense moya makairo ime county ya Nyamira
abantu aba Kenya Power, we are giving them money. We are supposed to get services. Ngai nkibako garabako chabaru ise transformer. Itanga ni baire transformer batari ko replace transformer.
Tuachandekire mono ne stima na indengwa kana tore chibesa nekerero kya babenyi bege sekero bagoteba bachandekira sege kegetambe.
Clear that ANC party will remain a party doing its activities independent but within the coalition.
Omobunge bwebunge ya imwaya umboko milemba nerebono murikyo monena sekia makia ANC asate birekia mekyo nigo gego chugotigara yetenerete korende kere ase obomo bwa Kenya kwanza. Mwanchi umuligereria yo munanda mange ngo kwariganire ngumanya senchira ere yobwekirano nyarabuna sensemere ya Facebook nigo ragendere gotonyora wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter na bogo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News boigo na bogo sange kirengerero kya wetera se namba era se screen ere togendere gosanga na boigo kwemanyia amanke ere tariane Everline Osero urtokubwatira nere kwene kya wikira sensemo imanyariro nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta kabana intweka omwerio ngo kwariga ntoya chaka senchira yo wekiranu nengana yogo ichania korwase county ya Nyamira awase omusacho yomo aine kiwago siria obugima bwaye magega yoko werwa nerigena ase wareyemo ensemo ya makairo yo toka imebunge ya West Mogrango county ya Nyamira chingaki arenge koya amagena kwenekya yono mugambi wensemeyo George Magata oyote obaga gukwanira boigo parembe yere asenseme yetarweteka egentaganiria serikali goswagati erio korigereria epareyo
nkoro kumugambi church Magata oyo korumongolisi lakini nje ngokora assess application ya ibucha gwetera batureti bane yona nyole report buno yomo okoleme kware rocha unyare ko baga gusirio bogima esengencho rigena ria mugwera bono tuachana abasikali baito bakurukia mbere ikana nyora pali ejo erinde tuacha ko tuwa gusutia twanyorira maena nabo mugako yaraire ase kwetera gwako nerigena igono otore twakone family twanyorira osiririo bogima bwaye niga obwete ko bwe pareye nabo borobo konge kora bana inchi mpata kiriko banga ase pare gekora chinga kichine chimbe mono nabwete ko kuno bwe gari mboko bagekora nabari bari babwate chai mboni bari mete igobono ganara kongune twatakanga serikali ire chinga kichi abwango asa abantu bari bagusikana department yepara etubwatisia soko tokolore
Togotigana nayo nigo ensemo yabamenyi korwa sensemo yegesa imeyo mucho Kisii baba wesoke na gukora okurobekana asikire bakwe murunganiria umuchando westima ase ensemo yokorengana barabwo nigo asegeka yekibere bono estima yaberege kubachanda gendo be murunganirie company yechinguru cyo murero ya KPLC asikire bate nangwa kana bare chibesa kurende nigo bagenderete kwenekia umuchando yo westima na bono nigo baburire serikali bege goswagati kubwatirana ne company ya KPLC babe bakwenekia buna estima yaberege kubekwa eriye bakonye aso gwikirania emirubiri yabo oroboti rwa central yo gwikiranu nigo twariganire n'umurikeito Ndemo Stephen.
Emambia ya rero omorembe ni gutuguterwa re chinsemo chiegesa nyatie ko ward asamenyi babwato moichano barobekana askeri bagoteba no kuborwa gwechinguru chomorero cha KPLC asege kegetambe enseme yuo.
A problem yestime yabeire embe amatuka amange sio leo peke yake itanga nigera overloaded ego chagatate week igo tokoboliga abantu abakenya power we are giving them money. We are supposed to get services. Ngai nkibako karabago chabaruise transformer itanga ni baire transformer batari ko replace transformer eri akabere abantu marabaruare tema ruere mana echiskali amarioga are si fridge asare kire omotakete tokwe
ekero bako to tray bako to chande kabire magosa kitokorete na rwata yo toteminga inki tuwena to kora tumanye kora tarwiste maga to kore chi wiki bere nga gorete bichu 250 entikarte bichu 60 bio kabia kure sasa uri estima chindaga to abele to fiki me jasare kire bona ekero to ikiraga iga magosa kia motaire okenya pamba matenga mboko nkio to gwetera sabantu barba kyo bisiabo chinyumba abantu banganyire Kenya Power ni matenga ebine biasara to gwakana
okobora ko muriro nigo kwa baira sarene na segati yabo bairere mechando baeteire yuera muno boncholie kwenda enseme yuyegesa
twatande kire estimeye moroje mune ntwa bangine tukija sare kire motuo abangina batande kire bakabaita chindaru chekira twanya kora lastima abande torware totokontune tamariogo tifuriti bana ndiko kora kasi etoko bona ne gavana yaito simbarati bakitororera mare
Amayia sara kire ndabera antor kora bere bituma to bwata karakine ne to kana tinga gobono to basaba to saba abaminto abali bateneta mangana Kenya Power twabasorora barenge kuancha
ukugani kwabo na se kiombegia KPLC konyara kubeka chi transformer chinkongu nemebelie meikirano era koroburabu boiranegesa
wana na ko bodia ba director Kenya Power toira ne liango transformer na ndo to transformer nene egosabu abantu begesa because na bange tore and we are very good customers to waka no una tore gabana to kwa na Kenya Power offices tudai haki yetu turudishwe transformer
wagetiwe etata kwa twasabire se Kenya Power directors bamanyanga magosa kyari kyo bisiabo egekogera twachandekire bona siminto bwati abaibo tukoga abato chandre
abamenyi benseme nigo bengente buna simba neta kwende wekera boniga nigo chita chiabo chiremete wetera matuka etani richi wikibere asoko boli kwa bona sekyo mbegia Kenya Power and Lightning Company KPLC kunyara kubaira ne richi nguru chomolero ko reporter ya Ndizi TV ko ruwa nsemo ya Egesa county ya Kisii area tariane Ndemo Stephen.
Miyamano murikeito Ndemo Stephen ase oroboti ororukiranu korwase enseme yo togotena nayo nigo abagaka korwase ebunge ya gusase ensemo ya Masaba North bakora wana John Mogere bagikire kiseye cyabachiko enekiwa bwankoiga ase ensemo ya Keroka kobwatkana ne chimbebe nigo boigo bakanire gosebaganire bali bonsi bamyete ase orobebe rwa Kisii na Nyamira koba abatoereru na koeneke murembe chinga kionsi ekerobono omuchando yo ogendre rete kugayanwa yani gagocha chingaki abara ikurwa se county ya Nyamira baba bakubeke kina askeri bako baganirie egatie chinsemo echo kirase county ya Kisii kuiraniwa ase county ya Nyamira mange ngo twarigane n'umurikeito job manki
amatuko abwango iganigo kungusana na kwarakanire koba aroro igoro yechimbebe egatie county Nyamira na Kisii anene mono astisegi cyaba chikoene kigwa ensemo yo mochie okeroka
goons county officials from Kisii County, Sungusunga and everyone, they came to Keroka. They removed a barrier which is erected by the county government of Nyamira.
Alia Keroka, hiyo sio vizuri. Kila mtu angalie boundary yake akae kwake.
Etureti yabagaka kurwase county enke amasabanot egotoka ase bunge tutuma saba bakura unomunyakirogobo John Mugere nigo bagikeiri kisegi ekyo
inche kana ago saba intunda baga basaba north mwa so tumetanga na keroka ana ago saba aba minto babe komorembe
lakini enjireri okubogoria bibago tusegeta abana nabamura bajage kurwana yento buneki ntoko gianja lakini tutagete haki yaito neba buna bono naigwete ekero mugabano Kisii ari gukwanira nga eri nigere common land yes nigere common land lakini rimanyikanite nga keroro bezere yege belonged to Nyamira na another common land sinajiro jo belonged to Kisii.
Mbate abanigo bakwa okoboko igetambo kerokeri tune county Nyamira kugania ekoti kurwa ogochika igoro kubago gweti mbebekyo
omugabano ito nabo no MCA ito mugabano ito Amos Nyalibo asenge nchonga yoba bwatiti enjerere ngiya eyina into totagete buna bakaji bakeroga buna bajete ekoti totagete ekoti yamwe.
Mbate bambachiko sika okonacha we court igorengane yaretire obotantanu
ngenge court nere kwa Murisa Land Commission etoma basaba ikeroka babe kichi pikoni igira eto ere boundary rekane ebe permanent bisigi binyekwera
asebasaba omorembe koba aroro egatebo menyi bare asoro bebirwe county Nyamira na Kisii
ekomarebe kumurangi nombiarire nonkinirete bona injendo kinga nomigano abantu bakuminyoka kurweze barura nonzi bacha kurwanira so buri mubweito no mubea no tunyomete mubea no banyomete seitu turobwa amatobuya togo tusikaine tokoena nage kerengencho igo engencho mugabano itakwana nero tugwenete tubwatie omorembobe amasikani yache muna konya tusikaine
kurwase county Nyamira ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi
Mbia mono murikeito Job Maangi ase oroboti ororo ikiranu korwase county ya Nyamira togotigana nayo nigo umubunke bwebunke ya Nyaribari Masaba Daniel Manduku aberega kubainekeria aborokia bonsi korwase bunke yo unanigo agochia kubekemero bere saine yoko enekia bunango sirwa bare anene ase okomentwa imesara yaniga kwa nachinga ki chiomo yega bwoko iraneria bwo somo yega bwo wakangambia mono ase ogokorabya kwa barokigwa asense moya ichuni asenonya nabo ate na goikachi kwenekia buna aborokia babere ba wakanwa emesara yabo bunenchire moyoko bakonya goseko babeka umukia bwoko koria bya gosebwoko konya aborokiwa gokorabya ase chiskuru
Bwana wali wetu katukatera namo na wali na baibuli na baraibande elinde tukini sebi tena ibande sana bote bwana wali wanga kiwa korega siki kabire weka baye wema oyo kabia ngapala kikaka sana yani kuko tena ya na ngiri chimese bi ndio plus motivation kit asi school chijo korabia lekini ke tutara to para que lo haga pues haga tu cerranza to que sa to que ya correbia ora que go voy sabani hai.
We focus on primary school infrastructure. We complete projects teachers agato mjume machogo lakini miaka yevere to focus on primary schools. New roofing, new floors, painting so that our children have decent environment in the classroom.
I also want to appeal to the government. The 3% levy that they wanted to tax our teachers, let them make 30% for salary increment. So that teachers, what they want is salary increment is not a deduction. So our CPA, as it was spelled out, last time we got an non-mandatory CPA. This time around we want them to make that 3% to be 30% so that our teachers can get at least something to take home and be able to do others. Because we know through the PSS, there's a scheme that they brought where a teacher can be able to withdraw 40% of the superannuation scheme.
Mwanchi omurigereri bonoroboti orumurike to Mildred Mumanyi nagendrete gotwariganira senchiraro iyoboikranu orurachi konyora ekero chiraragie chinsa isato gotera nayo nigo Ensa ya Kenya egendrete kobwatana ne chinse chinde asoko enekia omorembe no muri bwechisegi ase Ensa ya Sudan gokwana chinga kipamuranete no murike omonene bwense ya UN Antonio Guterres nigo murai bwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto atero nawe kababeke merobere isaine yoko enekia oborendi hanene asaba Kenya abubare imeyense ya Sudan asensemo ya Guterres nigo agokera Ensa ya Kenya yasege tambukiro yaberege wakane nasoko bwatana ne chinse chinde ero kwene kiabuna omorembe ngo ene kiwore asense yo ya Sudan.
And we are making an offer that in our region, the Horn of Africa and the Great Lakes, we continue to face many crises and natural calamities. Kenya, in collaboration with other member states, regional organizations, and the UN, provides political leadership towards resolving some of these very complex challenges. I call upon the leadership of the UN to strengthen the United Nations office in Nairobi to effectively extend its services to the global south. We already demonstrate this goodwill in the ongoing renovation of the Union Blocks A to J, and we hope that upon completion, the state-of-the-art complex will be an iconic model at the status of other UN headquarters in the global north, improving the delivery of its programs.
We, as United Nations, we have not the power, the Secretariat and agencies, and we have not the resources to change these things. But one thing you can be absolutely sure, we will be at your side. We will be together with the Global South, fighting for a world that is more based on justice, on fairness, a world where all women and men can have access to the same opportunities.
Ababwatani korwa sensemerie kwa merire serikali ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya nigo baganire chingwa na gati yabone serikali gokorekana segeka kya matuko emeronke tatu oka agokorwa chinga ki chira barachake chingwa necho gokwana nabari kimimo cyo Nairobi nigo baganire boigo ababwatani be kya ODM na boigo mobwa Azimio bali babeire bakobekwa byara babe bakobwatwa ari morioka asabateru nampagendere kubwatania aba Kenya abosio bwe chingwa na echo nabono nigo batebire buna goika esemeri ya Kenya kwanza ebege goikera okuganya kwabo nali chingwa necho chirachiye goikera na buna ebwenerete.
They are not interested in power sharing with Kenya Kwanza, or what they so-called nusu mkate. In fact, our position remains that Kenya Kwanza is an illegitimate regime that is in power through a civilian coup. We will continue with our engagements with other people through town hall meetings and other avenues to continue educating our people on the issues as our delegates engage in the talks. As we said yesterday, we will not hesitate to resort to alternative measures at the slightest indication of lack of goodwill and honesty on the side of Kenya Kwanza.
Muwaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu nigatebye na serikali terigo chikobwatuka chibesa cyo gusira borokiwa ase chi university kitariye cya serikali okwana chinga kekira nabo syo bwe committee retereta mangana ekisemi ase bungenene Ezekiel nigateba buna chibesa cyo nigo kirabe chikorwewa ase chi university ekyo cya serikali nabo igo chibwate okugania kwa igoro mono asatire bune serikali terigo chigo chenchia omusimamo bwoko bwatuka chibesa gochi ase chi university nabono nigaganire aboroki wabale bagokorya byana konyora alama yo kwenda ase chi university koirwa ase chi university chire chi serikali.
Funding and financial programs. There is also the issue of governance, there is the issue of management, which as a ministry we are also trying to deal with, such that we get the correct and the right men and women in the university councils. We get the right vice chancellors who will also be undertaken through the necessary training in management so that we get it right. We have decided as follows, that any student, any parent will make a choice of the university that he wants to go. If you choose Nairobi University, for example, you want to do medicine, you have an A, you will be able to know the fees structure of Nairobi University, fee, Moi University, which is also offering the same course medicine, so that you go to that particular university.
It is very clear that we have capacity in our universities, and when we say we leave it for students to choose between private and public, then it just means we are at the same spot. Yes. We are in the same position and we're in the same spot.
Omuyega bwa masabo yokubainia abarokiwa batano nomo beskuri abanyaruka yambi babu basire pyamagimabo asomu basukano bwepara kibere cyaitre asensemo ya Naivasha imeye county ya Nakuru nigo korekana ritkoria rero abarai aho nigo baikira nase umuyogoyo abo bayichanira ugusiria magima kwa barokiwabo namo nokoboria umuwaziri wechpara murkomen kwene kyabunango bekabaremiro biresaine yogo keanya emibasukano ase chipara boigonigo baboriro muwaziri w'ekiseme Ezekiel Machogu kwene kyabuna ebitamukire bwena ngobe kwa bire ase chiskuru nonyanekero abana bakogenda ase chinga gose ase miyiga au eryo kwene kyabuna ngo ikirana bare ase obugose bare buya abatari ko bwatraniwa na michande ndeyonsi ase chipara.
The cabinet secretary in charge of transport hii maneno kusema ati amefunga magari ya shule kuanza sijui masangapi kufika sijui that is not going to happen. This accident didn't happen at night. It happened around, I don't know, 11, 12 there. So it was not at night. So it's not a question of the time of the day. It's the question of enforcement. It's a question of enforcement.
The Ministry of Education, in consolidation with that one of transport, do create an inquiry into what happened, both here and Mukumu, and even Bihi, where we are losing our kids on the road. Sababu saa zile mtoto anaipeleka mtoto shule, anatarajia huyu mtoto atamsaidia baadaye. Mimi nataka kuhimiza Wakenya wote wenye wako na magari waangalie vizuri mambo ya drivers. Wapatie drivers wenye wako qualified magari ya kuendesha ili tusipate janga kama hii. Anasema hii kwa sababu najua wiki ijayo watoto wanafungua mashule na wanarudi kwa mashule.
Omario yanigobeire omogoko gochiase ababwatani bumurandia Ezekiel Odero ne magegayere kubwato kwa ase konyatangira ase kigambiro yashanzu imemu cyo Mombasa asabaga kubwato kwa ne cash bail ya shilingi emilioni Eyemo nukta isano nigabeire ka gutangwa kubwatikana no butyo bwabere bogokorekana asogoteba bunanigo babeire bagusaria magima yaba Kenya ase okubangaina korendo omario ye abange babo bagusiria amagimabo bano nigo ababwatani ba Ezekiel babakorokia omugoko monene awasabange babaikirana ase kigambere okyo eriyo kogokera okubwato kwa ye Ezekiel.
Specifically prayed for. Because it says that all arms of the government, all, including the police, the courts, the prosecution, everybody, are bound by it. And that includes the prosecution. So today they come to court and tell you that they want to ensure that the respondent here today stays in for 30 days. But they forget one thing. Compelling reasons must be proved.
Yeah, so you'll be informed by the court assistants at 2:30.
Omwanchi omulgereri bono aya negatiari na kwariganirite SMS Amayia Ensa yemasenchira yobwikira nukorenda ya munayenda manke gati yabo ogochorwa kwayo omubunge webunge ya Himhaya Milemba nigo achorwa koba omurikyo munene ase kiama National Congress oyobaga wakangambia mono nakoria ira yogochia kwenekia abunanguru arobokoreri obuya na kwenekia buna kiamekyo kiama National Congress kiabeire gekogenderera buya boigoniganekia abuna ni kiamekira chigotigara yetenenerete ekerobono barachie ko gose barachi kobeka emeroberesaine yokumirana nabara ibonskuru ase chinsinyo chionsi eryo kobeka emerobere bwenerete aso gwikirania obokoreri burubuya na sensemeri ebunke ntwamaromo gose omo nogerio monene bwebunke Moses Wetangula ni gatuguterare okorusiwa ase ekerogo no chief whip Sabina Chege askiriate babuna emeroberesaine gose ebitamukiro bibwenete tibiyabete bikobekwa yintononya nabo twarakeirera abarai kurwase obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya agosoka kurwase bunge kubwatikana no gutuguterware wokorusiwa kwa Sabina Chege ase ekirogekyo ono mwancho muri ya negatiari orachikonyora senchira yobwikirane karochirarage chinsesoto endra kubwati meroberionsi ya Ndizi TV ensemo ya Facebook otonyarwetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter @Ndizi TV News pego nabo gusange kerengerera kya wetera se namba erase screen eritoriane Everline Osero twabwatirana nere Joshua Auta kwene kya wikera sensemo imenyererio twaro burigere burobya.